friends. Who is giving you those information?
Literally, seriously, you don't.
Why is everything not working on you? The spells,
Emily, we're gonna go to the hospital, okay?
everything they have been doing. Why
Don't be
is it not working
scared.
on you? Who is protecting you?
Be nice and calm.
This is the question they keep asking themselves. How?
Okay?
Why?
No more crying. No more screaming.
They don't know that you're protected by the
And
universe, by your ancestors.
yep, there's no crying, screaming,
Intuitive.
and yes,
They thought you were
there's
online.
no need to cry. Okay? No more crying, no
They thought you were
screaming,
like the rest,
and yeah, that's why
that they could manipulate
I need you
and
to be
control.
nice and calm.
Now they are scared. They are afraid of you.
And we are not gonna cry at all, okay?